One says to understand the accordion, you have to tear it apart. Then you will find that it's basically two keyboards attached to a bellows, blowing air through a bunch of mouth organs. That's simple, you would say, but it took humanity almost 5,000 years to accomplish that. Our journey begins 3000 BC when China's first emperor Wang Ti appoints a noted scholar named Ling Lun to find a way to reproduce the sound of the phoenix bird. Ling returned with a song. Made of bamboo pipes, it is the first known instrument using the free reed principle. Virtually unchanged, the song arrives in Russia around the year of 1770, soon attracting the attention of European musicians and other people. People like Christian Friedrich Buschmann, who managed to write the song and placed it in a box. But it was Cyrillus Damian from Vienna who invented a system with 2 to 4 bass keys, calling it an accordion. And in that same year, 1829, Sir Charles Wheatstone invented the concertina. But all of these instruments were diatonic, producing a different tone on the press or the draw of the bellows. That all changed in 1850, when an accordionist from Vienna named F. Walter ordered a custom-made accordion, the chromatic accordion. And in 1852, a Frenchman named Bouton glued a piano keyboard to the instrument. The accordion was ready to conquer the world. Around 1910, the accordion became hugely popular. Why? At first, ballroom dance was at the turn of the century no longer an upper class, but a lower class amusement. And an obscene dance act originated in Paris, representing a pimp slapping around his employee, demanding her hard-earned money, became a big hit. When this dance, the apache, first on a waltz, later on a tango, spread throughout the world, the pianists at the local dance houses had to switch to the accordion. Not surprisingly, they rather used an accordion with a piano keyboard instead of one looking like a typewriter. So who gave the accordion its dusty image? Well, they all did. Started off with jazz in the 20s, in trios, quartets, quintets, whatever, it didn't work. In the 40s they couldn't even fit an accordion in a big band.
1, 2, 3 o'clock.
In the 50s rock and roll conquers the world. Eventually there's an accordionist in Bill Haley's Comet. But with the coming of the king, the guitar becomes the new icon. Beatles, Michael Jackson, Bob Marley, Madonna, Queen, they didn't play accordion. And the people who did play the instrument weren't really that cool. So why do I, being a very cool 21st century musician, equipped with the latest technology like synthesizers with MIDI and 24-bit sampling, own such an instrument? I hardly use it. It weighs 17 kilos. Tuning only will cost you 400 euros. And it has the looks of a Pakistani jeweler shop. But when I play my accordion, just like Emperor Wang Ti 5,000 years ago, I can hear the sound of the phoenix.
Stop! It's the motherfucking remix! What's this? Listen to this. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. What? Oh, the Phoenix never dies. off my big chain, drive my accordion. Lay off of my accordion.